Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, as we had computer lab in our school, and suppose there are 50 computers in our lab, and we want to interconnect them. So, do you know how can we interconnect them? Okay, I am telling you. We can interconnect them with the help of networking. What is computer networking? This is our today's topic. A computer network is a system in which two or more computers are connected to each other, and these computers can share information and other resources. A computer network may also include peripheral devices such as printers, scanners, webcams, speakers, headphones, and microphones. Do you know how can we interconnect these computers? We can interconnect them with the help of networking cables, because networking cables are required for the interconnection. A computer network, in the other words, you can say it is a collection of computers and devices connected by communication channels. People connect computers to a network for a variety of reasons, including the ability to share hardware, software, data, and information, as well as to facilitate communication. A computer network can be as small as two computers connected to each other, or it may be spread over different parts of a city or covering the whole world. Do you know why we need for a network? You can share resources such as hardware devices, software programs, data, and information with the help of a network. Sharing resources saves time and money. Now we are going to discuss about different features of network. A computer network is often characterized by the structure and function. The following are some features of a network. Firstly, we are going to discuss about topology. The word topology refers to the geometric arrangement of devices connected in a computer network. The structure of a computer network consists of multiple nodes. Here the word came nodes. What is node? First, I want to tell you about the term node. See, when networking is done, then the PC or the computer, which are interconnected with each other. So each computer or device on the network is a node. So here the definition of topology is this, that the topology refers to the geometric arrangement of devices connected in a computer network, and the structure of a computer network consists of multiple nodes that control the transmission of data. A connecting medium, for example, a physical cable, allows the different components of a network to link with each other. Here we are going to discuss about four types of primary network topologies. These are, first of all, we will discuss about bus topology. First, I am telling you what is bus topology. In a bus topology, all the devices are connected by only a single cable. As you can see in this figure, just one single cable is there, and other computers, they are connected with each other with the help of this single cable. When one computer sends a signal through the wire, all the computers on the network receive the information, but only one accepts the information. In this kind of topology, all the computers and its devices are connected to a single cable called the bus. So this single cable, it is known as bus, and this bus network is also known as linear network. It transmits data, instructions, and information in both directions. Only one computer can communicate at a time in bus topology. A device wanting to communicate with another device on the network sends a broadcast message on the wire that all the other devices can see, but only the intended recipient accepts and processes the message. Next, we are going to discuss now what is the disadvantage of bus topology. The major disadvantage of the bus topology is that if the main cable breaks, the entire network breaks down. This is why this type of topology is not used for large networks. Now we will discuss about second type of topology. This is known as star topology. In this kind of topology, connector called a hub is placed at the center to which all the other nodes are connected. As you can see in this picture, here one hub is placed at the center to which all the other nodes are connected. All the information that is transferred from one computer to another on the network passes via the hub. Star network is one of the most common computer network topology because it is easy to add or remove the nodes. Means it is easy to add or remove the computers which are connected in this topology. A failure in any star network cable will only take down network access of one computer and not the entire network. When the hub fails, then the network also fails. This is all about the star topology. Now I am telling you about the ring topology. In ring topology, each computer is connected to the next computer and with the last one connected back to the first computer. Thus, in ring topology, each computer retransmits when it receives from the previous computer and the message flows around the ring in one direction. See in this figure why it is called ring topology. As you can see, it is connected in the form of a ring. Ring you all have seen, it is in the round shape. So in the same way, computers are also connected in the ring way, in the ring shape. Every device has exactly two neighbors for communication purposes. All the messages travel through a ring in the same direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise. In this, if one node fails, the whole network goes off. Computers are usually located close together. A ring network is easy to set up because the computers are attached to a single ring of cable and no central connector such as hub is required. There is no beginning or end in a ring network. Now we will discuss about another type of topology. This is known as mesh topology. Look, what is mesh topology? As you can see in the figure of mesh topology, in mesh topology, all the computers are connected or devices are connected to one another. This topology is the most robust as the data can be transferred between the nodes even if some of the connections fails. This topology is difficult to install and configure and its maintenance cost is very high. So that's why mesh topology we don't use regularly or maximum we don't use mesh topology. Next, the term which we will discuss now, it is about protocol. As you know that we are using networking system nowadays everywhere and a protocol is a set of rules that outlines characteristics of how two devices communicate over the network. A network protocol is a predefined set of rules and regulations that allows different computer devices to communicate with each other over the network. Here I want to tell you that there are different protocols for different operations on the internet. First, I am explaining you about the TCP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol, and next is HTTP. This is known as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. But first of all, we will discuss about HTTP. It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a set of rules that defines how pages transfer on the internet and what actions web servers and browsers should take in response to various commands. Next, we are discussing now about TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. This is a network protocol that defines how the information or messages are routed from one end of a network to the other. Ensuring the data arrives correctly, it has been used as network standard for internet communications. Now we will discuss about another type of protocol. This is known as FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. This is a set of rules that allows file uploading to and downloading from the other computers on the internet. You must have seen that on internet when we are browsing, we are sometimes uploading the file, sometimes we are downloading the file. Do you know what is uploading and downloading? I am telling you. Uploading is the process of transferring files from your computer to a server on the internet. And what is downloading? Downloading is the process of transferring files from a server on the internet to your computer. Web page developers often use FTP to upload their web pages to a web server. So this is all about the protocols. Now we are going to discuss about architecture. What is network architecture? A network architecture is a layout of the network that integrates the different network topologies with one or more network protocols. It is defined as the physical and logical design of the network that includes the software, hardware, protocols, and media for the transmission of data. A computer architecture shows how computers are organized in a network and how tasks are allocated to them. There are two types of network architecture. One is peer-to-peer type and another is client-server type. Now, look here. First of all, we are discussing about P2P type. In this type of network, once I want to tell you what is P. In this type of network, two or more computers that uses the same type of programs to communicate and share data is called peer-to-peer network. Next, we will discuss now about client-server type. Client-server network is one in which one or more computers are designated as server and the other computers on the network are called clients. Can request services from the server is known as client-server network. So that's all for today. Today we have discussed about these topics. That first I have explained you what is computer network. Computer network is a connection of computers and devices connected by communication channels. Secondly, we have discussed why we need network. We need network for data and information sharing, for hardware sharing, for software sharing, and also for transferring funds. And after that, we have discussed about the topologies. Different network topologies I have explained you. After this, I have told you what is network architecture. These are of two types, peer-to-peer network and client-server network. I hope you must have understood the full explanation given by me. Thank you so much.